Branding for me is all about the purpose for which something is done. Some big brands have showcased it very well. I think you take an example of Tata Steel. They rightly say, we also make steel in addition to contribution they do to the society. वो ये बताना चाह रहे हैं their primary objective is more about doing the contribution and then they are doing steel business to achieve that. So in my series of podcasts, before beginning it, I would like to share one thing. We are into the textile business for past 30 years. और पिछले 30 सालों से वो काम देखते देखते I just felt stuck in my mindset. And then I realized I just need to break this clutter. And then I decided to start this particular series where we'll call lot of entrepreneurs from different industries and we'll try to acknowledge their success they have achieved. So let's see, let's explore, listen to different journeys, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Hi Ishu, hi Vedai.
Hi.
Yeah. So just give me a brief intro about yourself.
So basically, I'm not a design student, but I'm master into the sales and operation. Uh, I find design very important point whenever we are communicating it. Like example, we are going out. Whenever I see a cafe, we judge the price. Is it affordable or not on the basis of the architect, design language they speak, the font they use. Like there's a nearby cafe that is a French vibe, so we understand they would be serving a French vibe. So I feel like design is the one of the main point of communication and which is lacking in this industry. So we are the first design studio and right now agency, god bless, from Jaipur, where we started the journey with when we were designing the things, people were like it's only about the social media thing, but branding is more about that. It's one time investment which you place, it represent you because business is a different identity that needed to be created.
So you are trying to say कि you just create a vibe before someone tells you,
Right.
they get to know about you.
Right. See example, and a few examples from the big brand. Whenever you're driving a BMW, everything is designed in the manner for the driver. You get to know that it's a driver a cars.
Yeah.
Whenever you go for a Porsche, that's designed in a different manner. Whenever you go for a Mercedes, it's for a chauffeur driven. They have a good experience for the nearby person or the back rear seats.
Okay.
So design is a basically purpose solving thing.
Okay.
That's what I understand.
Got it. So yeah, whether you can also introduce yourself.
Yes. Hi, I'm Vedi. I'm the co-founder of the Editor Suite. In Editor Suite, I'm the brand strategist. So I help give voice to brands when they are lost in a lot of chaos of the world.
Yeah.
Right? Because branding is all about human psychology. It's
Yeah.
all about how people perceive your brand in terms, not only in visual aesthetic also, but also in what your brand stands for.
Okay.
So that is my role.
Yeah, and before going ahead, I want to know like the basic journey, कहाँ से चालू हुई सब चीजें, like your education, where you started, and how you guys met each other, how you became co-founders basically. Yeah, anyone can take this one. Like कहाँ से start हुआ, your background.
It's a fun story, by the way. Hana, that is the Hana. Before lockdown, just was happening. I was into the textile business like you are. Really? Yeah. That's amazing. Hana, so I was selling e-commerce basically. So Wesley was doing some internship kind of stuff, and she was just like about 2 years. Thailand say.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so basically you are from Bangkok or Thailand, right?
Yes. So
Okay.
during my entire childhood, for around 10 to 12 years, I stayed in Bangkok. So
Your education and everything was
yes, so until my high school, I was there, and then during my college period, I did it in Jaipur itself.
Acha, college you did it in Jaipur.
So I did journalism and mass communication. It was a great course, but during the mid of it, I realized that it's not my forte, it's not my cup of tea. I do not want to go into PR or become a news anchor or anything.
Okay.
So then that is when I started coming across design. So that being an art child,
Yeah.
that really fascinated me.
And then how you both met basically.
So she was doing an internship and I was selling the kurti as usually I was packing it out So I was leaving out that place and there was a tenant. And I just made my logo so before for my textile brands from someone else. And that guy was like, "Okay, sir, how this brand and logo looks like? Do you design?" I was like, "Yeah." They just told me that she know the designing and also, and I find it very interesting. I find like this is something that is so relevant to the customers, and I wanted to be in a lobby where my customer is an entrepreneur. Okay, Hana. So I was like, yeah, we can do it. So I just tell him about the something, keep price and all. This is not working for you, and he was so convinced, and he gave me the first project. When we don't have any portfolio, any work, we just play the bluff.
I
Okay.
think we do not even establish the editor suite as a name. It was just both of us.
That's both of us.
You just made a sales before making a company. The most important point for any business.
Right, right.
Yeah, that is, I think, when we knew that, okay, this has a lot of potential and it excites us as well.
Okay.
And I think we should really, bring something out of it.
Okay, that's great. Tell me two things or skills which you see in Vaidehi which are irreplaceable according to you. And then Vaidehi, you tell me two skills about issue which you really feels that you just can't replace in your company.
Got it.
Yes.
Art of parallel execution. So she work parallel manners.
Okay.
And she work in the operation for 2 hours. Then she work in for the proposal. Then she work for the design. Okay. So parallel working is something that I rarely find in the people. And it's mainly kind of a business skill. Or the admin rules have. That is something very replaceable. Second thing is execution. And she's very strong with the execution. How much time it takes. And the final product should be coming out nice.
Yeah.
She's open for the changes and all. The mindset is like amazing. Whenever she's treated client, she treated like a baby.
Oh, wow.
That's something I really appreciate her.
Yeah. You tell something about Ishino.
I think for issue many points, but I think 2 points which are irreplaceable and we just cannot do without it.
Yeah.
I think one is psychology. So he understands human psychology really well.
Okay.
So when there is a brand approaching us, he can really get to the core and he can give you solutions that are beyond the scope that we have signed up for. So he really brings that out of you. Like he gets you excited as well. So I think human psychology. And I think the second one would be he takes his time to understand things and then comes up with a solution for them. So he'll truly sit with you to understand what's going on, and then based on that, he'll then guide you.
What exactly the brand needs basically to
Yes,
grow.
yes, exactly. So even if it's a startup owner or even if it's a team member,
Yeah.
he truly understands what their thought process is, and that is how he'll mold everything. So he's very quick to restructure a lot of things as well, which is, I think, a skill every founder should have.
Yeah, you see, I also really appreciate this human psychology part क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बाकी चीज़ों के लिए you can hire the professional basically, but psychologically understanding a brand, understanding the needs is something जो बहुत ज़रूरी है, जिसके बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Right. So here, what I feel a lot of agencies and people are doing wrong is that they onboard the project. They work on the client basis. We never work for the client. We work for their brand. They are two different things. Whenever you work for the client, you would always work in a manner to appreciate your client or make your client happy. हमारे client fuck up करे हमारे साथ हमसे rude हुए, we don't care because I know that he's paying me for the project, for the
Yeah.
brand.
Yeah.
So we work for the brand. Sometimes we argue with them, we had a fight. In the end, they love it,
Yeah,
but it's a process that's amazing, man.
so my next question was on this only कि now you tell me according to your experience one of your best project which you did and one of your worst project which you did कि उससे basically समझ क्या आया फाउंडर की पर्सनालिटी के बारे में.
Okay. So for one, so whenever
With the best, I think.
yeah, we should start with the best part. And I but always negatives come always first. I don't know.
Yeah, negative though,
But that's how the human do it.
because वो याद रह जाता है.
वो याद है उसको भड़ास निकालने के लिए मौका मिला है ना सर जब प्लेटफॉर्म पे.
Yes,
वो मिलता नहीं है.
you can start
Do
with
you want to take it?
You start with the best.
you start with the best and issue is filled up with the worst.
I think the best project would be Remo Brush. So Remo Brush is by a Harvard professor.
Okay.
He is a dentist by profession, and he found the need that in this world there's a lot of plastic and pollution, right?
Okay.
So he wanted to combat that. So he came up with a sustainable toothbrush, and the bristles of the toothbrush are infused with miswak. So miswak is an African herb. Like we have in India, we have neem.
अच्छा,
So,
okay.
like that, in Africa, there is miswak. So he infused the bristles with that. So they keep your gums healthy, they keep your teeth healthy. And also, it's good for the environment because it's a bamboo based
So,
toothbrush.
like the professor is from India only?
No. He's
Is
from US. So he approached us. He mentioned that he wants. So he had this entire idea, but he did not know how to communicate.
and tell me one more thing ki like how did he selected you? How did he came to know about you? Like via someone or someone recommended your brand's name or how did he find you?
So there's a cheat code in the this work because in the service industry, one cheat code if you follow your
Yeah.
agency gonna rocket skyrocket. So that is like client delight you need to follow. What I understand. So whenever you have it two clients, what is the difference between client satisfaction and delight? That whenever you have it two clients, you need to make them satisfy. If they satisfy you with your work, you need to say no also at the times. But if they're satisfied with the total output, they will definitely refer you up.
Okay. So till now, I have seen tests like though you have not advertised a lot, but still you are completely occupied with work.
Still
So
we are
reference is something
50 plus projects in funnel right now.
so
Till
that's huge because it's still and everything is due to reference only.
70% of the business come from reference.
Great.
Of
So now the people are waiting for the worst one.
Worst part is there something from the Bangalore client, and I'll just I don't want to name the client, and
Yeah.
so basically when we were working with them, and we were working doing phenomenal. But what I understand, the people were from the IT industry,
Yeah.
so they were into like very micro detailing and all. That's what I think the founders shouldn't be doing it. And if you hire someone, you should have something on the trust. But they have a trust. That's why they hire. But they have a habit of doing micro management.
Acha.
And something they like, they don't like before throwing out in the market.
Yeah.
Whenever you launch a website, you need the real आपको रिव्यूज मिलेंगे वो कस्टमर से ही मिलेंगे.
सही बात.
हाँ ना, जब आप मेटा परफॉर्म करोगे, जब आपको लगेगा कि क्यों फनल में ऐड में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा, सो दे आर समथिंग जो टाइम्स बहुत लेते हैं ना. आई फील दैट इज नॉट ए फाउंडर. डिसीजन शुड बी फास्ट. द डिसीजन वाज सो स्लो एंड वी वर लाइक ओह माय गॉड वी आर वेरी फास्ट एंड आई वी आर लाइक आ जा अब तो डिसीजन आ जाए.
अच्छा.
सो दे वर
That was very boring kind of thing.
boring because we both are stuck.
I mean, it was just a very it was like a project that was signed up for a short duration, but then it stretched for a very long time.
And in a longer picture, it's a loss for them
also.
because they're not able to launch the brand. So that's what I was communicating with them, and they understand in the point. So they make it rapid fast. I said, sir, it's fine for me if the project go from 2 to 3 months, but it's a big loss if you wanted to start. You're losing the business for what you are investing in it.
Yeah. So now tell me one more thing कि अभी जैसे अपन मार्केट में देखते हैं सपोज इफ आई एम डूइंग स्टार्टिंग एनी बिजनेस तो मुझे पता है मेरी जैसे 10 जने और वो बिजनेस कर रहे हैं इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग एनी एजेंसी मेनी पीपल आर डूइंग द सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ वर्क जो प्रॉब्लम अभी सब जने फेस कर रहे हैं ना कि why people should listen to your brand basically if if you can just tell me 3 basic points कि how to make people listen about your brand.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. First thing, founder should be always connected with the brand. Is basically in the initial stage, if you wanted people to listen to you, you should be always going yourself, not the team member, for taking the feedbacks, understand it. That is very key important. It's not a lala business basically, where you depend on the people and you invest the money and all. If you wanted to stand out alone and all, work on the client basis and understand the industry. It's not what you wanted to sell, it's what consumer wanted to get. Second thing is that if you understand that key point, then you're amazing. If someone wanted to listen that word, use that word.
नहीं सपोज अपन समझ गए कि लोगों को क्या चाहिए
Right.
अब अपन के पास सॉल्यूशन है
Solution है.
लेकिन लोगों तक वो बात कैसे पहुंचाएं क्योंकि 10 जने ऑलरेडी शाउट आउट कर रहे हैं उसी सॉल्यूशन को लेके
Right.
लेकिन हाउ टू मेक पीपल लिसन टू योर पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड
आपकी वेबसाइट जैसे आपकी जो ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस है in our business, our website is very clean. We work on it a lot.
ओके
We make so many changes and we do so many things because we know that is the first thing he gonna see. That is the first visual image he gonna see. If you check out the test social media, that is the first image he gonna see.
तो वी कैन से कि यूआई यूएक्स पे बेसिक काम भी अगर कोई करे तो वो स्टैंड आउट हो सकता है कंपैरेटिवली टू अदर वेबसाइट्स।
I
Right.
think
Bale.
if we look more on a brand perspective, yeah. For example, you are a founder, you're starting a brand,
Yeah.
you are going in a line which is very competitive. The 3 points you have to keep in mind is you have to make it easy to communicate and not complex.
Yes.
So basically, if you're not able to tell what your brand is in 10 seconds, then no one is listening to you,
Yeah.
right? It's
It's
useless.
finished. It's finished.
Finished.
Yeah.
I think after that it would be community. So community building. Basically, do not speak at your audience. Speak with your audience, right?
Okay.
So build a culture around them. People are excited about adopting your brand in their lifestyle, because
Yeah.
that is one thing that you should always have
Okay.
in mind. I think apart from that will be consistency. Consistency. So with your branding also, with your ideology also, you should have a repetition, so then people start recalling your brand. So instantly, for example, if I take Workday,
Yeah.
right, I can instantly understand what their culture is,
Yeah.
what they're promoting, how their founder is. So
Yeah.
that is all done through repetition and
Consistency.
even in your branding and what you're speaking.
Okay.
Then I think those are the 3 points.
So now let's break down the journey. सपोज कोई न्यू कमर है, वो ब्रांडिंग का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहता है फ्यूचर में। अभी वो 10th क्लास में है या 11th क्लास में, बट ही हैज़ अ विजन टू गो इनटू दिस पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन। नाउ टेल मी स्टेप वाइज कि उसको क्या क्या स्टेप्स लेने चाहिए अपनी लाइफ में, ताकि उसकी जो ट्रैजेक्टरी है ना, वो कंपैरेटिवली एक बेटर पाथ पे हो टू बी सक्सेसफुल। व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स, लाइक व्हाट डिड यू फेस कि आपको लगता होगा कि यार यहाँ हमारी ब्रांड का टाइम वेस्ट हो गया, या ये हमको नहीं करना चाहिए था। एक किसी न्यू कमर के लिए पूरा एक जर्नी बताओ मुझे कि कैसे वो अपनी एक ब्रांडिंग मार्केटिंग एजेंसी स्टार्ट करे।
So for us, we always thought and we always have this conversation, काश हम 3 साल जॉब कर लेते कोई स्टार्टअप में,
Okay.
है ना? बिकॉज व्हेन आर यू वर्किंग ऑन अ जॉब, कभी आपने सुना नहीं होगा कि जॉब वाले की घाटा हो गया। यू ऑलवेज लिसन कि बिजनेस वालों को प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है, घाटे हो रहे हैं,
जॉब वाले की फिक्स इनकम आ रही है।
इनकम आ रही है।
हाँ।
सो सेकंड थिंग इज दैट आपको एक स्ट्रक्चर मिलता है बना बनाया। कुछ स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर जाके आपको उनके इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं, आपको एक लर्निंग मिलती है, आपका इंटरनल रोल कैसे मैनेज हो रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है, आपको एक सिनेरियो रेप्लिका करने के लिए मिलता है। फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट है ना कि आप उसमें मल्टीपल डोमेन्स पे आप वर्क कर सकते हो। ये कोई स्टार्टअप ही आई सजेस्ट बेसिकली, नॉट द कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ वेयर वी गेट टू वर्क इन लाइक एन अ डिजाइन टीम और लीड टीम, एंड यू कैन वर्क ऑन एन एक्सपेरिमेंटल थिंग्स, क्लाइंट्स मीटिंग्स एंड ऑल, वेयर यू कैन अडेप्ट द थिंग very fast because you are surrounded with the people in the right genre. When you started alone in it's a lonely life. A founder is a lonely life. Bahar. It's a proper hustle. You have a lot of vision in your mind. You different law and you try to speak with themselves. Now ChatGPT, AI tools is helping us out a lot, but this is a one key for factors.
Yeah, you can also join into this very.
I think when you're starting as a newcomer,
Yeah.
I think the first thing which I also learned after a very long time was just start observing people.
Okay.
Just start understanding what their thought process is, because if you do not know what your customers need, then
That will be done only when you work in some agency, get a job, then only you can do that.
so basically when, for example, right, if you see the scenario right now also, there are a lot of students who have already started their freelance journey
Yeah.
or their branding journey, right?
Yeah.
It's not everybody who chooses to work at a startup.
Yeah.
It's recommended,
So
but not.
do you think कि freelancing is something better than doing job under someone?
I mean, there is no comparison. It's what rolls your boat, right? What gives you that excitement? There are people who are genuinely excited about doing the job, working with team members, doing that collaborative process. Then there are few people who enjoy working in an autonomous setting where they have started everything from the core and they are building their processes.
Okay,
I
okay.
think it's not like one is better than the other. It's
Yeah.
what gives you
One
excitement.
have a safety net. The second one doesn't have a safety net. So we are working with a lot of freelancers too. So when I have a chat, few months are they amazing. So they spend a lot, but few months are so drained, and so there's no stability in freelancing. And if you want to settle down, this should be a safety net.
नहीं मतलब डेफिनेटली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ पर्सन मेकिंग एन एजेंसी जिसको वो आगे जाके एक कंपनी में कन्वर्ट कर सके।
Yes.
So suppose he got education done from a very good college, then he did internship with some renowned names, then he did some very good freelancing projects. Then what will be the next step for that particular person to grow in this
Still
field?
the right talent. you need to make the core
That's
structure.
now that is something.
है ना?
ये
Right,
ये
like
हाँ
you need to
ये
invest in the core team. है ना? Your degree doesn't matter. है ना? For
Yes.
example, है ना? The way you see the things, है ना?
Yeah.
is matters. Don't invest in devices and all fancy stuff. है ना? Social media is a big investment. है ना?
Okay.
है ना?
Okay.
You should always be up there. है ना? You
Okay.
for initial start, it's an amazing thing. है ना? Because you never know किससे आप क्या कनेक्ट हो जाते हो एंड क्या काम मिल जाएगा. And don't invest in fancy offices, device system. That's what I suggest. Shouldn't be there, which I see. Or develop on the skills also
Yeah.
and patience and consistency. A habit.
Okay.
Because when you are doing a job, you only have हमारे मारवाड़ी में कहावत है आपके जॉब में एक ही कसम होता है मतलब बॉस इज सेम फॉर द ईयर आउट है ना.
Yeah.
Whenever you are doing a business in a designing agency and all, आपको हर month because it's a one time project, so they are always new client. You need to understand their psychology, you need to understand your team psychology, and you need to bridge that gap.
Okay.
है ना. तो आपके हर महीने नए कसम होते हैं.
अच्छा.
स्टार्ट वीक.
हाँ हर महीने नए कसम होते हैं. yes yes. And networking, like do you think networking is also an important part for anyone's career growth?
So a lot, you get a lot of insights, whenever we used to go in the startups and all,
Yeah.
initial phase, भामाशाह गवर्नमेंट में startups and all, जयपुर में भी बहुत अमेजिंग महाकुंभ होता है, वो दिल्ली में हुआ है. तो you get a lot of insight with the IT people and tech people. You have a broad vision. That's an amazing thing. And if you wanted to see, we are not doing the app development, but I can make it, because I have some
Yeah.
good context through the networking only, through that events also. I'm an amazing person. Even the younger person from the college who is making a team of 80, Anna,
Oh wow.
at the Facebook Meta event, we were at Delhi,
Yeah.
right, Anna?
अच्छा.
At the Facebook Meta event, we met a lot of phenomenal people over there, Anna.
Okay.
And we get a lot of insights.
So मतलब like attending these events, going into different, joining different communities is something a person can network and improve their contacts.
Absolutely.
And that's how they can grow themselves.
It's like investing in movie time in an event, but movie में आप पॉपकॉर्न खा के आते हो, यहाँ पे आप अंदर पॉपकॉर्न डाल के आते हो. That's what I feel like.
अच्छा. But I feel कि if someone is a founder, then they have to be better at one skill. वो तो है ही है. उसके अलावा they have to be good at sales also. मतलब they have to understand कि हमारी कंपनी में revenue कहाँ से आएगा basically.
Like, see, finance, two things should be found known. Sales is the oxygen for the body. Like,
Yeah.
like, if you don't have oxygen, your body can't survive.
Yeah.
है
Yeah.
ना. So sales is the first thing. If you don't know how to sell and how to represent the product, then it's that thing. Second thing, I feel like accounts, how much CA do you have? But accounts को करोगे ना, that day you will understand your core of the.
So I think you should have one more co-founder for the.
One founder can manage or only hardly take half an hour a day, है ना.
And no, but there are people there are people who are so much deep into designing and art that they are fearful with mathematics and they really feel, but that
Like,
is it do with you?
as that is why I'm not on this side of the food.
Okay. That's why the combo is good.
No, I think it's for your accounts also. I think you should just know where you're investing a lot of your energy and time also. So
Is
like
it
you
worth it?
mentioned,
Yeah.
yes, absolutely. If you have a core team, right? Investing in your core team is worth it.
Yeah.
They are supporting you when you're getting new clients as well. They're helping you expand as well. So that's a good investment to do. So
Okay.
I think the finance part is definitely important. If you can't do it yourself,
Yeah.
best thing is to hire another expert to do it.
Great.
I think
Got it.
that's the best thing to do.
इशू यार आप है ना मुझे सक्सेसफुल होने का हैक बताओ. मतलब सही में मतलब बोर हो जाते हैं, इतने पॉडकास्ट सुनते हैं, सब कुछ देखते हैं. सक्सेसफुल होना है और उसका एकदम क्रिस्प हैक बताओ.
क्रिस ये है कि कम्युनिकेशन है ना.
अच्छा.
लोग डिजाइन पे ही बहुत वर्क करते हैं, पर आप कैसे कम्युनिकेट करते हो अपनी क्लाइंट से. whenever you communicating with the client, always make them feel that you're understanding them and you're listening to them. पर करो अपनी मन की, बट उनको हाँ करोगे करो, बिकॉज उससे प्रोडक्ट भी अमेजिंग होगा एंड वो भी खुश होगा.
मतलब मुझे लगता है कि क्लाइंट शायद एजेंसी की या जो क्रिएटिव पर्सन है उसकी सारी बात समझ ही नहीं पाएगा
नहीं पाएगा.
बेसिकली एक लेवल पे. सो दे हैव टू ट्रस्ट दैट पर्सन.
सो देयर इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी मैं बताता हूँ.
यार
तो एक प्रोजेक्ट था जो शायद 2 महीने का था एंड आई रैप इट आउट बिकॉज सर्विस इंडस्ट्री में जितनी जल्दी आप रैप अप करोगे उतना प्रॉफिट्स आप नहीं करते हो बिकॉज यू आर एक्सचेंजिंग फॉर द टाइम बेसिकली वो आपसे टाइम लेता है. सो देयर वाज अ लोगो व्हिच माय क्लाइंट डजंट लाइक. सो मैंने उसको देखा, पहले ही नहीं दिखाया यार, ये लोगों में हमने बहुत परेशान कर दिया, इनकी खत्म ही रैप अप ही नहीं हो रहा। तो लगा क्यों नहीं हो रहा, मैंने फिर मॉकअप चेंज करा एंड उसको विजुअली बड़े मोड पे मॉल के बाहर लगा दिया उसी लोगों को। देन आई सेड इट टू द क्लाइंट एंड ही वाज लाइक ये लोगो परफेक्ट है।
So see,
There is
just
no
see
difference.
मतलब just see the difference कि you presented it differently. वो लोगो सेम था।
Because you need to see the client is new for it ना, है ना? He's not from the designing or हम उसको visualize करते हैं, he need to be visualized. So your mock-up is the key. अगर if you're small or successful in brand,
This is a है।
mock-up
This is
is
a
the key.
यार
आप लोगो कितना भी ग्रेट हो, आपने स्केचेस कितने भी ग्रेट करे, आपने कितनी स्ट्रेटजीज लगी है, बट आप उसको विजुअली रिप्रेजेंट क्लाइंट के लिए सामने मॉकअप से करो।
हाँ, विजुअली आप कैसे कितना बेटर शो कर
ये चलो ये आपकी इंडस्ट्री से हो गया। सपोज इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इवेंट मैनेजमेंट इंडस्ट्री, जो जो सपोज यू आर इवेंट मैनेजर्स
राइट
जिसको वेडिंग का एक ऑर्डर पिक करना है,
राइट
अब उनके लिए भी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एक तरीके से मॉकअप ही हो गया
राइट
कि वो क्लाइंट को लैपटॉप में
कितना-
इवेंट कैसे प्रेजेंट कर।
राइट डेफिनेटली
Yeah.
दैट्स द हाई थिंग बिकॉज जब टिकट साइज लॉक हो रहा है वो लैपटॉप पे हो रहा है, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, है ना? वो एग्जीक्यूशन फील्ड पे होगा, हमारा एग्जीक्यूशन बाद में होगा,
वो सब बात की कहानी।
वो सब बात की। तो मॉकअप्स इज द की। सो वी लाइक, है ना, इफ यू सी दैट, है ना, वी हैव अ केस स्टडी इन दैट वेबसाइट, तो वी हाईली इन्वेस्ट आवर टाइम इन आवर केस स्टडीज आल्सो। क्या न्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स कर रहे हैं, उनका केस स्टडी अच्छी दिखे, जिससे दो चीज होती है, क्लाइंट से हमारा कम्युनिकेशन एंड बैक एंड फोर्थ टाइम बचता है,
Yeah.
एंड इफ यू आर रिड्यूसिंग द टाइम, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई वांट टू लॉक 5 clients a day एग्जांपल, तो एवरी क्लाइंट मींस 1 hour एटलीस्ट, है ना, एंड रिपीटेडली 2 hours लगते हैं, है ना, दे हैव सम बैक एंड फोर्थ एंड ऑल, तो एवरेज क्लोजिंग टाइम इज 3 hours, है ना। सो वेयर यू हैव इज अ केस स्टडी एंड उनसे रिलेटेड आपने नेचर ऑफ बिजनेस दिखा दिया,
तो वो वही फ्लैट है
वो वही
कि इन बंदों ने ये काम कर रखा है,
राइट रेलेवेंसी क्रिएट करनी नेसेसरी,
रेलेवेंसी क्रिएट
है ना।
करना।
अगर आपका रेलेवेंसी भी नहीं है, स्टार्टिंग कर रहे हो आप, है ना, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए आपका क्लाइंट ज्वेलरी का है। फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे पास ज्वेलरी का एक क्लाइंट था, तो आई बिलोंग फ्रॉम ए ज्वेलरी फैमिली, मतलब मेरा डैडी एंड ऑल थे, तो मुझे उसका आइडिया था, तो आई लॉक इट आउट वेरी सून, है ना। एंड ही वाज सो इंटेलिजेंट, वो यूएस से आए थे, उनका बेटा यूएस से आया था, एंड ही वाज ट्राइंग आउट अ लॉट ऑफ एजेंसी इन जयपुर, बट ही वाज डन विद मी, मतलब बिकॉज मैं उस बिजनेस के नेचर को समझता हूँ इतना
Just because you presented yourself as relatable to that industry,
Industry.
basically.
he wanted someone, not a newbie, someone is amazing in designing in cafe, but why would you hire something for textile? You would be hiring someone who understand your textile business, example.
That's where the psychology part
साइकोलॉजी पार्ट
comes in. Exactly.
So you know,
So you are basically the closure of editor suite.
Yes.
You
Yeah.
close the project, you get the new project, you again close it.
right. I'm good in offboarding the projects.
Yeah, that's great. Now also tell me, Ishu, how a person can grow as a freelancer, as a studio owner, or as a agency founder. How a person can grow.
For freelancer, you should be always working without budget or any budget in the initial 10 projects. You need to build your 10 things. Like you need to have,
Acha.
like your show,
You need to build your portfolio basically.
basically, and 10 projects. And
Okay.
second thing, you should be there at Fiverr, multiple channels. You never know, उसमें ticket size less होता है कई बार अच्छा भी होता है. So we are the level 2, है ना. Initially टाइम में हमने Fiverr पे बहुत वर्क करा हुआ है ना, and काफी clients expose हुए, काफी चीजें सीखी. ऐसे नहीं बोलूँगा we make a lot of money, but we got some work, we make something understand, and उसमें this is a beautiful process. And freelancer को dependency नहीं होनी चाहिए. He should join the groups, communities.
यस
हाँ.
मतलब उसको इनिशियली ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि मुझे इस चीज के इतने रुपए मिल रहे हैं. शी शुड मोर फोकस ऑन कि उसका एक्सपोजर क्या हो रहा है, वो किस ब्रांड के साथ एसोसिएट हो रहे हैं.
Right.
Yeah,
And वो क्लाइंट को इन द एंड सेटिस्फाई कर पा रहा है नहीं कर पा रहा, उससे फीडबैक्स क्या है, ही शुड बी ओपन टू फीडबैक, एंड उसको मेरे हिसाब से 1 साल उसको उसमें ही देना चाहिए.
Right.
आफ्टर दैट ही कैन डू, ही कैन बिकम एन स्टूडियो, ही कैन बिकम एन एजेंसी व्हेन ही इज कॉन्फिडेंट विद द प्रोसेसेस एंड क्लाइंट कम्युनिकेशन में, उसमें देन
Yeah,
Also, I
you
think
can-
the freelancer then gets to understand what their niche is as well. I mean, if they're working on 10 projects,
it's a
15
discovery
projects,
of
it's a
themselves.
discovery of themselves that I am interested in this particular field and I'm now going to go in this only. So it's a good
Okay.
experimentation.
And one thing I would suggest for the freelancer, never go for the skill that is like top selling. And some people say UI is top selling, उसकी प्राइस ज्यादा मिलती है ना.
अच्छा, why but why like people generally have this behavior only ना,
हाँ या
कि इसकी प्राइस ज्यादा मिलती है तो मैं यही स्किल सीखूं.
So this is a very smart crack, है. People think this example, I have a project of like $3,000, है. पर उस प्रोजेक्ट में वो 6 महीने लग रहे हैं, है ना. तो उसमें कुछ मजा नहीं है. If I have आई गेट अ प्रोजेक्ट एट $200 ऑल्सो समटाइम्स, है ना, पर वो 2 डेज में रैप अप होता है ना, so that is more profitable, है ना, एग्जांपल,
अच्छा
है ना,
And
so
also I think the
short
more
things are like amazing, like video edits, है ना, if you're taking the video for 3,000 rupees for edit, है ना, and you're making it in 20 minutes, that's good ना, you're making more than $30-40 an hour, है ना, for half an hour you're making it, that's more than the US
सर, आई कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। इसको मैं एक और तरीके से अगर बोलूँ तो सपोज इफ आई एम ओपनिंग अ रेस्टोरेंट इन अ 2000 स्क्वायर फीट एरिया कंपैरेटिवली टू आई जस्ट स्टार्ट अ क्लाउड किचन
हाँ,
in a fraction of investment. Now, what matters is your ROI.
right.
That is what you are trying to say
Yeah,
in
yeah.
this industry also.
राइट सेम इन द फ्रीलांसिंग फील्ड, बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि टिकट साइज बड़ा नहीं होता, उसमें ये डिपेंड है कि आप डिलीवरी कितनी जल्दी कर सकते हो, है ना, ये सेकंड क्रैक है। एंड थर्ड थिंग, जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, आप इन द एंड तो उसमें ही करोगे जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि आपको रिपीटेड प्रोसेस है।
Yes.
अगर आप उस चीज को एक बार ही कर पाते हो, 2 बार कर पाते हो, पैसे के लिए आप 2-3 बार कर सकते हो जब आपको नीड है। जिस समय आपके पास पैसे आ गए, उसके बाद में आपका वो जॉय फैक्टर नहीं रहेगा, एंड वहाँ आपकी डिक्लाइन है। तो आई लव वन थिंग जो शाहरुख खान बोलता है, is not tough to become a star. It's hard to maintain them. It's not tough to run and start a studio. It's tough to maintain that and grow.
Consistency is that growth. So in business, a successful entrepreneur is one who knows how to get work done from their team. And this can only happen if they explain it to them in a right way. मतलब जनरली मैंने ये बहुत बार देखा है कि लोग बोलते हैं हमारा बंदा काम नहीं करता, हमारा मैनेजर ये नहीं करता। बट व्हाट आई फील इज कि जो फाउंडर्स है ना, उन्होंने ही अपनी टीम को ढंग से ट्रेन नहीं करा, या उनको ढंग से वो समझा ही नहीं पाए कि उनमें भी वो पैशन बिल्डअप हो। डू यू अग्री विद दिस?
100%. Transparency is the one of the key. The more you hold the things, है ना, the more you back. अगर मैं कल ये डरता हूँ कि मैं टीम में को छोड़ देगा या मैं क्लाइंट में को छोड़ देगा, चीज़ें खराब हो जाती है। तो वी हैव ए डिस्कवरी कॉल, उसमें हम हमारे डायरेक्टली प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर को पता कि हमारा किस प्राइस में प्रोजेक्ट लॉक होता है ना, क्या प्राइस में, हमारी टीम्स को पता है,
That is the trust you are developing in the whole team.
होल टीम, एंड दे आल्सो नो कि वी आर लॉयल, तो दे आल्सो नो कि इसमें इतनी एफिशिएंसी डालनी है, बिकॉज़ दिस इज नॉट
Worth this much only.
और दिस मर्थ वर्थ ओनली। जब हाँ प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होती, एंड उनको भी पता है कि काम अच्छा करना है, क्योंकि दिस इज पेइंग गुड टू द कंपनी, एंड इस कंपनी इज गुड, तो हम उनको बनारस भी लेके गए थे एग्जांपल, एंड
अच्छा।
इन्वेस्ट ऑन योर ट्रिप एग्जांपल, यू फील लाइक कि हम दोनों भी यूरोप जाए एग्जांपल, है ना, हम नहीं गए, हम बनारस गए, वो बेटर सीन था उनमें सब
Instead of investing only on yourself, you are celebrating it with the whole team.
team, and initially you need to give them, because they are also giving their time, so they have dreams with you ना, है ना, आप उनके साथ उनके फुलफिल करते हो, तो उनकी लॉयल्टी एंड ट्रस्ट है ना, आपका भी कनेक्शन बिल्ड होता है, जो आप वो ऑफ द बीट नहीं कंप्लीट कर सकते। तो
Okay.
आई ऑलवेज इन्वेस्ट इन माय टीम, मतलब हम तो मूवीज गए, आउटिंग गए, पार्टीज भी करी है,
अच्छा।
एयरबीएनबी पार्टीज, वी आर वेरी फ्रैंक, मतलब वी नो द लिमिट एंड लाइंस, दैट इज हाउ यू एक्सपीरियंस इन ए टाइम। मतलब 2 साल पहले जब मैं स्टूडियो था विद 8 and 7 पीपल टीम, जब भी मैंने ये यूरोप वाला कल्चर मेंटेन करने की कोशिश की थी, बट वी फेल आउट, बिकॉज हमें पता नहीं था ब्रिज कितना रखना है। आफ्टर एक्सपीरियंस वी नो देयर इज अ थिन लाइन जो वो भी क्रॉस नहीं करते हैं, ना हम क्रॉस करते हैं, उनकी डिग्निटी भी वही है, हमारी डिग्निटी भी वही है। आफ्टर हास मेरी क्लिनिक है, उसका तो मैं बियर भी पीता हूँ
अच्छा।
आई जस्ट रिलैक्स विद दैट, सो that's how, because in the end they are human,
Yeah,
they are not working for you, they also love to work for you know, पैसा ही एक मोटिवेशन नहीं है इस फील्ड में।
या बट लेकिन अगर अपन बड़ी कॉर्पोरेट्स की बात करें या बड़ी एजेंसीज की बात करें, जो ऑलवेज ट्रीट देयर एम्प्लॉयज एज एन एम्प्लॉय ओनली,
राइट
दे नेवर गिव देम द फ्रीडम टू थिंक बियॉन्ड सर्टेन पॉइंट्स।
सो देयर इज अ डिफेंस सिस्टम इन इन बिजनेस एग्जांपल, अभी है ना, व्हेन यू आर, हम अभी 22-25 पीपल की है, जब हम 200 लोगों की टीम हो जाती है, तो हमारा डिफेंस सिस्टम बन जाता है।
या
जब हम अनब्रेकेबल हो सकते हैं, इन द सेम मैनर जैसे रेड बुल है ना, अनब्रेकेबल ब्रांड बन गया। जब पीपल है ना, देयर है ना, इनबाउंड होता है, अभी एक आउटबाउंड होता है, कि इनबाउंड होता है। जब बिजनेस में इनबाउंड क्रिएट हो जाता है, एग्जांपल ज़ारा हैव इट मोस्ट ऑफ द इनबाउंड, है ना, कि दे डोंट डू एनी मार्केटिंग एंड ऑल, उनका डिफेंस सिस्टम बन गया। जब डिफेंस सिस्टम हो जाता है, तो उनका कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत हो जाता है, जब वो लोगों को एम्प्लॉय के, जैसे कोर टीम के अलावा बाकी टीम वो एम्प्लॉयज हो जाते हैं। एग्जाम्पल मेरी भी कोर टीम के अलावा कोई बाकी लोग से उनसे इतना कनेक्शन नहीं रह सकता, बिकॉज आई नीड टू सी द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द बिजनेस टू। वहाँ पे भी 50-60 लोग होंगे,
या
10 प्रोजेक्ट्स है, यहाँ पे भी 25 लोग हैं, और
सही बात है, सही बात है।
वो सिस्टम आपका डिफेंस सिस्टम बनने के बाद में एम्प्लॉयज के जैसे ही करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि हर बंदा भी उस स्ट्रक्चर का नहीं होता।
So this one is for you, Vaidehi. Since you have worked with very big brands, with very big influencers like Ansh Mehra, some some marketing agencies like A-List from Delhi. So, and young startups also.
Yes.
So, what's the difference basically you see, like in the founder's vision and in the processes? What's the difference you feel कि क्या क्या difference है उन दोनों में, बड़ी
Yes.
brand में और एक young startup में?
Yes, I think the best example would be with a big brand. It's almost like a very big ship, right? It's very steady because it has a lot of systems and processes that work together. With a smaller brand, it's almost like a jet ski or a speedboat. Basically, they are very full of power, full of excitement.
Yeah.
But ये कि उनके पास processes नहीं होते हैं, तो कभी-कभी reckless भी हो जाते हैं बहुत.
अच्छा.
But ये
Who is more fun to work with?
So with younger startups, there's definitely that raw excitement, right?
Okay.
But with big clients, you have those processes. So each part is very exciting to work with. Sometimes you need clients with whom you have all the processes set out. तो आपको structure पता होता है कि ऐसे ऐसे काम होगा. With young brands, you are open to go wild with them also. They will also go wild with you.
That is what I feel कि एक benefit young brand के साथ क्या होता है ना कि they have a very niche focus.
Yes.
एक बिग ब्रांड के साथ क्या होता है कि उन लोगों के लिए वो बहुत सारी कैटेगरीज है और एक यंग ब्रांड है वो उसी में से एक कैटेगरी पे ही फोकस कर रहा है तो यू ऑल्सो गेट अ चांस टू फोकस ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया
Yes, you can experiment also.
यू कैन एक्सपेरिमेंट अ
You
लॉट विद
can help them grow in lot of way. मतलब you have very enlightening conversation. हमारे young startups के साथ हमने बहुत सारी conversations करी है, which is way separate from their business, but we came up with new business models also while talking about it.
Yeah, you just take an example of minimalist from Jaipur.
Yes.
Like उनकी कैटेगरी इतनी नीश थी एंड इट हैज ऑलवेज बीन एग्जिस्टेड जस्ट कि हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर ने कभी टैप नहीं करा मिनिमलिस्ट
think-
केम they tapped in the market and they sold it for 3,000
So
crores.
basically, I think they did a spot on thing. So what happened was
Yeah.
minimalist is like ordinary. So
Yeah,
before
it's
minimalist,
completely like ordinary.
Yes. The Ordinary was a very popular US based
Yeah.
brand. During COVID time, what happened was that people, of course, Ordinary was not available in India.
Yeah.
Right? During COVID time, people were not able to order foreign products as well. So what Minimalist did was Minimalist saw a market gap during that time that people
Okay.
want science-based products. They do not even want to pay such heavy prices. So this is where we can tap in because Ordinary was very expensive compared to Minimalist. So they came up with the same strategy, the same visual identity.
We can also say कि this is how you can learn from someone else instead of making a copy of someone else. Minimalist is always inspired from ordinary. We can never say it as copied from
Yes.
ordinary.
Created their own standpoint. I mean, people then started choosing the Minimalist over Ordinary. So I think
So-
that was a great success for
So
them.
actually that is the very important concept which nowadays has come कि why for any brand is very important.
Right.
कि instead of what for any brand कि why anyone is doing one particular thing. That is what I feel. Like a very famous influencer Simon Sinek says in his interview, people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. Do you agree with this thing?
Yes, absolutely. People buy your story.
Yeah,
They-
people buy your story.
Why?
Your
Why is basically the soul of the business.
yes.
That is what
And
keeps us.
that is what position you in a particular mindset of anyone.
Yes.
कि मतलब सबकॉन्शियसली भी उनको ध्यान आ जाता है कि ये ब्रांड इस चीज के लिए स्टैंड करती है if the why is very solid.
Right.
I think the very good example is Ishu's favorite as well, Apple.
Apple, yes.
Which is
Apple has always created
Yeah.
a space in the mind. You now you tell me, if you talk about Apple, what comes first to your mind? Why a Apple product?
So see,
Why it?
why Apple is very smart. A lot of people doesn't know. Now one thing is a neuropsychological thing. हम बचपन से जो पढ़ते हैं हमें वही याद आता है. A B C D A B C D A B C D. So first letter, if you see a lot of big brands, they choose to prefer the word from A to C, B, cat. So Apple is very intelligent. The Steve Jobs is master of design and master of marketing. है ना? So जब ये दोनों चीजें मिक्स होती है, it's the biggest business in the world. है ना? That's what I believe. है ना? A for Apple. A for Apple. That's what we learn. एप्पल है, बचपन में बच्चे को याद आता है एप्पल, जब वो बड़ा हुआ तो उसको साइज में समझाया गया।
But that has nothing to do for me to decide whether I want to buy a 1.5 lakh rupee phone or not. So, suppose I remember the name.
Part of a lifestyle.
Yeah,
It's
I remember the name Apple. That is easy to remember. That
I
comes
think
that
the thing with them was they always focused on
on-
innovation
yes,
and
that is I think is
and
right.
a rebellious nature, right? It's basically they created, see, with luxury brands and with your regular consumer brands, the major difference is with luxury brands you want to fit in their world. They will never fit in your world. You want to be a part of Apple, you want to be a part of Gucci or
That
Prada.
community you want
Yes,
to,
yes.
yeah.
With a consumer based brand, that brand is trying to fit into your lifestyle.
Yes.
That is the major difference. So
Right.
Apple created that entire ideology around their brand. Like businessmen, when when they're traveling, they wanted something easy on the go. Apple is the first thing that comes in mind because the ecosystem is so smooth for
Like, do you think ki people also love to signal other people ki we are carrying that luxury? We are well, like for luxury brands, basically, is it more about signaling other people ki we can afford this thing?
Definitely in the like old age time, people used to wear a lot of gold and all to set up their wealth. Right now, iPhone is the thing you carry out.
Okay.
Your bag should go out with.
And it can happen in all the categories, like from your shoes to your phone to your car to your shirt
Right,
and
right.
everything.
Yep.
Right, and so that's how you represent that you're wealthy. So whenever you buying a Gucci bag or Armani anything, you're entering that world era in your psychological because you see the photos and you are like, she have that mention. Whenever you see the shoot of that, it's in a manner where there's a lot of negative space. Okay,
And also one of the thing is basically it's free marketing for all of these luxury brands, right? Because you are excited about wearing that brand. You're excited about caring.
You have a story in your own mind.
Yes,
Yep.
exactly.
One thing, understand whenever you luxury, you're never telling about your product. You always tell a story.
And I just tell you one thing कि yes, that is what I was about to come कि है ना iPhone का हमेशा ऐड देखा कैमरा बहुत अच्छा है and that's why I also bought one. But I have hardly used that feature.
But इस ये अब होने लगा है स्टीव जॉब्स के बाद में. iPhone never used to say that we have the best RAM or kind of thing. It's always sell about the we have the best design, sleek colors, share.
Yes.
It's not an phone, it's an iPhone.
Okay.
He created that differentiation कि हम phone categories में ही नहीं है, हम iPhone categories में है. अगर आप कोई बैग लोगे तो आप उसमें ये नहीं देखोगे इसके क्या साइज है, इसकी क्या क्वालिटी है.
Yeah.
Apple doesn't have it on प्रोसेसर बिल्डिंग सिस्टम भी नहीं है उसका, सब आउटसोर्सिंग पे है. जबकि सैमसंग इज द बिगेस्ट कंपनी. इफ इज द बिजनेसमैन सैमसंग अपनी ब्रांड पोजिशनिंग करता है, उसमें बिजनेसमैन उसको लेता है.
अच्छा.
They just created like a language outfit, right? Aaj aap normally also when you're talking about something, like my energy is at a Pro Max level. So basically iPhones एक model आता है Pro Max करके which is the largest size. They created that language जो आपने अपने lifestyle में adopt कर लिया.
Yeah.
And if you see the design system of an Apple website is so good, if you see the UI and UX, like not right now, 2 years back, they use the blue color like the Lord Shiva से inspired होके, ब्लू एंड कृष्ण जी वाला कलर यूज करते हैं जो भी प्रोवेंस होता था उसमें. इनिशियली उनका स्टार्टिंग प्राइस होता था पर वो अपसेल पे वर्क करता है. एप्पल वर्क्स बेस्ट इन अपसेल. यू वांटेड टू बाय एन आईफोन, दे वुड बी एट स्टार्टिंग एंट्री लेवल जो हर में होने चाहिए, और मॉडल्स होनी चाहिए. You go for that, they would be like in the end they would be like space upgrade कर लो, TV upgrade कर लो, RAM upgrade कर लो. If you go for a laptop, he would be always pushing you up कि आप ये
नहीं,
upgrade
even if you update that, then Apple has created a cycle कि at the end of the year you will feel कि अब मैं ये phone update कर लूँ. It all start with 2 words. It's basically the insight and the brief. Insight is something I really think कि वो ideas को जन्म देती है. If you have a right insight, you will really pop up with the ideas. And insight के बाद आता है brief, क्योंकि that is something which you will explain to your team and then team will work on that particular brief. So let me just share you a simple line. The line will be मैं ये जो line बोलूँगा ये 2 तरीके से बोलूँगा. You yourself will tell me कि Vipul, this is a normal observation and this is the insightful observation. So one first line is it's about a parent and a kid relation.
Okay.
Like every parent want their kid to come first in class. It's a regular thought. And now how someone with the insight will say this. Every parent want to live their unfulfilled dream with their kids. Now you realize the difference in two. कि एक तो बेसिक ऑब्जर्वेशन है
Yes.
कि यार सब कहते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा फर्स्ट आना चाहिए. एक एक इंसाइटफुल चीज है कि हम अपने बच्चों के साथ वो अचीव करना चाहते हैं जो हमने शायद अचीव नहीं करा.
Right.
तो दिस गिव्स बर्थ टू द आइडियाज, आई फील.
Absolutely.
Absolutely amazing.
Agreed.
Do you want to add anything to the particular insight thing?
Yes, this is so good. Yeah.
No, I think
It is awesome. मतलब awesome. ये मेरे लिए आई ओपनर था यार.
Yes.
कि
See, I'm shocked when you said it. Na, I'm like,
और एक ही चीज है, मतलब मैं लिटरली है ना, ये एक बेसिक ऑब्जर्वेशन है. एंड आई वाज सो मच मूव्ड बाय दिस पर्टिकुलर लाइन कि यार हम शायद है ना वो अपने ड्रीम्स अपने बच्चों के साथ फुलफिल करना चाहते हैं. अब मैं ना इस चीज पे अगर मार्केटिंग पर्सपेक्टिव से देखूं तो मैं 50 ऐसे ऐड बना सकता हूं जिसमें मैं अपने बेटे को स्केटिंग सिखा रहा हूँ, उसको क्रिकेट सिखा रहा हूँ, उसको जो भी सिखा रहा हूँ वो इस पर्पज से सिखा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं कहीं ना कहीं चाहता था लाइफ में वो करना. मेरी एज निकल गई लेकिन अब मैं वो वापस अचीव करता हूँ उसमें अपने आप को देख के.
right.
So that is something which moved me a lot.
Lord, see,
agree. I think with insight,
Yeah.
right? So I think a good analogy would be, so insights are like an inside joke
Yeah.
that only you know about, right?
Yeah.
So
And
it's something.
a founder know about.
Yes, a founder knows. This is something that's fascinating. सब आपको पता है, and you can then tap into that and mention it in the
That's something which always gives you energy to
Yeah.
continue your business basically.
Yes.
Now,
I think
yeah.
with briefs,
Yeah.
briefs are, yes, more on a general level.
Yeah.
They give you a lot more information, but you definitely, insight is something that then guides your entire process.
Yes.
So brief is just like a tip of the iceberg.
Yeah.
That's
But what I feel ना कि brief, to give a brief is also kind of art basically.
yes.
क्योंकि आपके साथ ये बहुत बार फेस करते होंगे कि फाउंडर्स हैव मेनी थिंग इन देयर माइंड कि हमारी वेबसाइट ऐसी बनाओ, लोगो ऐसा बनाओ, बट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू आर वेटिंग फॉर इज अ गुड ब्रीफ कि एग्जैक्टली आप चाहते क्या हो. उस चीज को कस्टमाइज करके बोल दो.
right. So, उसके लिए you are very right. This is a very like question. So, how to handle the clients and founders because
Yeah.
there are a lot of chaos in their mind. And
They don't know to structure their
right. And
minds basically.
it's the start of their journey, so it's totally fine with that. You need to be there to advise that.
Yes.
And people forget about that. So you need to educate them. How do you should educate? I'm not saying that you should start a school. Basically, you should provide the related reference in the different websites. Like
Yeah.
one is like the 3D website, one is like the basic website, and you need to showcase your client that 5 point. And you need to see which website or which thing he feel more confidence and like he would like some would be like I don't want this e-commerce site, I want a portfolio base. Then he's much more clear because we have a psychology. हमें 5 खाना देता है, मिलता है ये अच्छा ये अच्छा ये अच्छा, वे क्लियर कि नहीं इसमें मीठा तो हम नहीं खाएंगे. Example, sometimes that's why I love to go buffet. I love to have some small bites, so you need to give that small bites to the clients in the perspective. So we have a good onboarding system where we provide a lot of 3-4 mood boards and 8 types of logo structures. तो client get to know कि मुझे wordmark logo कराना है, ये mascot कराना है. I don't want a mascot logo. फिर हम उससे समझाते हैं कि आपकी इंडस्ट्री के साथ जाएगा भी नहीं. तो वो बेसिक हर्डल होते हैं ना जो लोग फाउंडर्स या एजेंसी या फ्रीलांसर जो फेस करते हैं बाद में, वो हमारी 50% वहीं खत्म हो जाती है
अच्छा.
when we are onboarding a project.
So
You understand the psychology of and you try to explain the same to client also.
yes, exactly. So we start
इजी हो जाता है.
we start with a very good questionnaire process with our clients so that they can note down all of the thoughts they have. Then we get on a collaborative mood boarding call with them. So हम उनको mood boards on a video call we'll show the mood boards to them. We'll on the spot ask them what is something that you like, what is something that you don't like. We'll tell them the types of logos there are. We'll tell them these are the type of visual identities that you can choose. So it's like a collaborative process that
So you try to come into their mind कि ये इसकी personality कैसी है basically, and to make it more easy. Now I'll on this particular thing I'll ask you one thing कि suppose if I take name of 3 cars, ABC person buy 3 cars अलग अलग. Can you define the personality of that person? If someone is buying Kia Seltos, if someone is buying a BMW, and if someone is buying a Thar, All three are completely different thing. Now you tell me कि ये 3 लोगों की क्या गाड़ी की चॉइस भी उसकी पर्सनैलिटी बताती है?
100%.
Yes.
100%. For example, if you see the people with the big SUVs and all loud, है ना, would be finding the people उनको कुछ लाइफ में वैसे अप्रिशिएशन नहीं हुआ, या वो खुद को पावरफुल एंड वर्ल्ड में लाउडली रिकॉग्नाइज होना चाहते हैं.
That alpha feel, वो they
Feel होना-
try to signal that alpha feel
Right.
basically.
So basically, they would be like that. BMW wala would be taking the car for himself.
हाँ.
Basically, he love to drive.
नहीं, he is not taking for himself, he is taking for us to know that we cannot afford that.
That guy would be going for the that guy would be going for the Mercedes or Audi. The driver and all system, मतलब family man, the person, जैसे आपने एक बहुत अच्छी लाइन बोली थी अभी कि वो अपने बच्चों में ड्रीम्स देखता है.
हाँ.
इन द सेम मैनर वो अपने बचपने में गाड़ी चलाने का शौक था.
Hmm.
आज वो 40 साल की उम्र में कुछ चलाना चाहता है. So example, some of my uncles have they have Range Rovers, Mercedes and a lot of Audi. They don't have a BMW in that lobby.
Yep.
3 Range Rovers, 2 Audis, but they don't have a BMW
And what's the reason for this, yaar?
because understand they don't love to drive.
Okay, BMW is something for the person who loves to drive basically.
So one of my relative, they have only one luxury car, that is BMW, because their kids love to drive. So their kids forces their family to have a BMW, not Mercedes. They used to have a Mercedes, sell the Mercedes and got the BMW because that satisfies their soul of driving.
Okay.
So in
And what about people with Kia Seltos and Creta, all such cars?
so something
I think
simple
it's on
choice.
safety and secure.
Something should be personal choices, but more of like you see, I love sedan because I come from a loud place and loud family background, and I love to be like clean and all.
But then here comes EV, Nexon EV, which is with the rich one also, with the middle class also, with everyone. Now, how will you differentiate it?
We cannot differentiate this problem because see, as well I told, this there are some products जो consumer है ना के लिए बनाए जाते हैं, है ना, फिट होने के लिए.
Yes.
Luxury products are the one जिसमें हम फिट होना चाहते हैं, है ना, तो उसमें choices होती है. If you see below 20 lakh rupees, there are no choices. उसमें तो हम एक्सप्लोर करते हैं एंड बहुत वर्सेटाइल ऑप्शन होता है. द हायर यू गो देयर लेस ऑप्शन. आप कोई भी सिटी में जाओगे वहाँ पे 1000+ होटल्स है, पर लग्जरीज 10-20 ही होते हैं, है ना, 5 स्टार प्रॉपर्टीज से, है ना. तो इन द सेम मैनर्स उसमें जब आप फिटिंग करते हो जब साइकोलॉजी पता है.
अच्छा, चलो. Now tell me one more thing from branding and marketing agencies perspective कि what is the major red flag for anyone? किसको नहीं आना चाहिए इस फील्ड में?
किसको नहीं आना
किसको नहीं आना चाहिए? Because many people come into something, they spend their lives 3-4 years, then they realize जो शायद वेडिंग में 6 महीने में समझ लिया था कि मुझे मास कम्युनिकेशन नहीं करना,
हाँ,
है ना?
yes.
वैसे ही इसके भी कुछ एक बेसिक पॉइंटर्स तो होंगे कि यार अगर ब्रांडिंग मार्केटिंग एजेंसी चला रहे हो तो यू हैव टू बी आउटस्पोकन, यू हैव टू बी, मतलब कोई इंट्रोवर्ट अगर इस फील्ड में आ गया तो वो कैसे सक्सेसफुल होगा? सो व्हाट आर द मेजर रेड फ्लैग्स अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हिच डिफाइन अ पर्सनालिटी ऑफ पर्सन कि यार
I
तू तो
think-
मत आ भाई इस चीज के अंदर.
Patience. The person who is
Yes.
less patient is not a product based industry where you will sell multiple. It's a slow, rapidly growth. If you get an order of like 5,000 websites, you cannot make it. In equivalent, you need to have the same ratio for the team also. So it's a process of a journey. If you love the journey, then this is amazing. If you wanted to reach the destination by flight, this is not the right thing. If you love the road trip, this is an amazing.
मतलब if you love each and every aspect at working, then come to this industry base.
It's a step-by-step process. There is no hack that you can jump from this point to this point. It's a step-by-step process.
Like you have to enjoy while working कि even if you are, वरना अगर कोई लोगो डिजाइन कर रहा है और उसको क्लाइंट ने मना कर दिया तो वो इमीडिएटली इरिटेट हो जाएगा कि अब मैं सही नहीं करूंगा.
Right. Because he's working for the money, so he's not working for the passion. So you should be passionate about this industry. If you're not passionate, I see a lot of people agencies तो बंद होती रहती है. A lot of people जिन्हें हमने भी करा था कुछ स्टार्टअप से छोटे जब अपनी एजेंसी से, and जब we were very as a freelancer and today we are growing अभी तक amazing. So the only difference I see is that because they are working for the money. And this is an industry where you need to be passionate, but you need to follow the process. It's not a fast process thing. You cannot
Okay.
do that.
So now on that note, you tell me
Good.
ki what is the USP of your brand, your company? Ki there are many agencies, there are many studios who are doing logo designing. Every other digital marketing agency is saying कि हम भी logo बनाते हैं, website बनाते हैं. But what is the USP of Editor Street?
Quality or quantity, first thing,
Okay.
and second thing, we give a lot of the time. We have a lot of project managers. We have 3 project managers right now. We gave a lot of the time to the client to understand the product and process
You said you have 3 project managers.
right now.
Now, if I am correct कि जनरली अगर कोई और होगा तो वो हो सकता है कि एक ही प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर हायर करे और उसको बोले कि सारे क्लाइंट्स को तुम ही हैंडल करो,
Right,
इस क्लाइंट को इतना ही टाइम दो.
right.
बट यू हैव गिवन फ्रीडम टू योर क्लाइंट्स टू टॉक 1 आवर 2 आवर 3 आवर जितना टाइम
Daily.
तुमको देना है जस्ट टू सेटिस्फाई.
There are some clients जो डेली हमसे एक घंटे का कॉल होता है उनको, मेरे प्रधान मैनेजर के साथ में, कैंडिडेट्स के साथ में, बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू नो द प्रोसेस, बिकॉज इट्स लाइक योर बेबी है ना. व्हेन समथिंग इज इनिशियली स्टार्टिंग, इट स्टार्ट विद द ब्रांडिंग. सो है ना, इफ यू हैव अ बेबी यू आर वेरी कॉशियस अबाउट इट कि वो गंदा ना हो जाए, गलत ना हो जाए. तो इन द सेम मैनर, सो आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट लूप पॉइंट है ना
ओके.
in this industry, है ना. So that's what I crack it, and that's our USP. So he should be getting time, है ना. Mostly he's paying for the work and he's paying for the time.
Yeah, anything you want to add, Vegi?
So just creating a very collaborative and hands-on environment with the team also, and then with the clients as well. So the team, our team members also directly connect with the clients on call just to understand their thought processes.
Okay.
We have kept that as an open option so that the clients can also talk to our designers directly, express
मतलब
their,
there is no fear
there is no
कि है ना क्लाइंट डायरेक्टली उनसे काम करा लेगा या एनीथिंग. मतलब
सर वो फियर हो तो घर में बैठ जाएंगे, है ना.
हाँ.
मैं जितना द फियर, वन थिंग आई अंडरस्टैंड, जब पीपल हैव द फियर ऑफ लूजिंग, बहुत बड़ा वर्ल्ड है. यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज, है ना. यू हैव टू बी फियरलेस इन दिस बिजनेस, है ना.
Yes.
इफ यू आर फियर देन आपकी टीम आपके सर पे है, आपके क्लाइंट आपके सर पे है ना. यू हैव टू बी वेरी फियरलेस. दैट्स वन ऑफ द
Okay.
क्लैक.
Okay, that's great. So let me ask you one very important question कि now ये दोनों को अलग अलग आंसर करना है, both of you, कि how much important do you think an environment play for any founder and entrepreneur? कि do you really feel कि एक isolation में कोई ऑफिस में काम कर रहा है और एक अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर करके काम कर रहा है, किसी ओपन स्पेस में बैठ के काम कर रहा है, do you really feel कि environment plays a impactful role in decision making process?
Definitely, Anna. So basically, I love to working in a moment where I see a lot of people around me in that energy. Example, मैं बेड पे लेट के काम करना नहीं चाहता या खत्म नहीं होना चाहता. तो we are the first movers, one of the first movers जो हमेशा से co-working spaces में हुआ करते थे. है ना, 2017-18. Even my textile business में I used to prefer the co-working space on a day passes. है
Like
ना.
10 years before you were into co-working.
Co-work, है ना. जयपुर के फर्स्ट co-working से हम कनेक्टेड थे फॉर द डे पासेस, बिकॉज मैं टेक्सटाइल बिजनेस नेचर के साथ नहीं था, पर ऐसे स्टार्टअप और फाउंडर जर्नी यू पिक्चर योरसेल्फ इन दैट मैनर कि यार आई वांट दैट लाइफस्टाइल, एंड co-working is the perfect lifestyle
Yeah.
where just you need to take out your laptop,
Yeah.
you need to go and you're surrounded with the amazing people, and of
Okay.
course there are some architects,
Yeah.
there are some
Different niches.
digital
All different
marketer, IT companies. It's a whole exchange of knowledge, and helps their content writers. So it's a good place to start.
Great. So, Very, what's your point of view?
I think my point of view is, so co-working space is basically like you are a fish and you are in a very vast ocean. You can meet other species, you can communicate with them, you can understand their thought process,
Okay.
which is, I think, just a very powerful thing to have, that you connect with like-minded individuals.
Okay.
Because as founders also, you should always be in an environment that basically boosts you up, right? You also get those creative processes. So I think co-working is that space where you can meet those, people who are excited about their brand, as their startup as well. They're excited about life too. So it's, I think, a very good, like, it's almost like a society.
Competition also. You see someone growing up, so you will
So,
like.
do you guys know some good co-working space in Jaipur?
Right now we're sitting at the boss dick, and yeah.
Do you know the amazing founder of Workway? Do you really know him?
Definitely, you are an amazing founder. Actually, we love working with you, and I'm personally, and because you have a really open mindset and you very sharply adapting the things. That's what I love. And you're
I'll just tell you my story of co-working space. Like I never had this thing कि मैं कभी कोवर्क स्पेस बनाऊंगा या फिर
Our own co-working space ना.
no, actually, years back, I visited a co-working space, Innovate, of Dr. Ritesh Malik in Delhi. And that concept in itself, वो मुझे बड़ा amazing लगा कि यार freelancers के लिए कितनी अच्छी जगह बनाई है. That's it. वो वहीं खत्म हो गया. Then in Jaipur, this time I felt कि नहीं, अब Jaipur is growing and we can build this space. और फिर मैंने आपके साथ जब मीटिंग करी, that time I was sure कि अपन को बनानी है ये चीज़.
Anna, people, you are amazing at your work. One thing I wanted you to start is like co-living culture. Like,
Yeah,
that's what we want.
manifestation works.
Very.
Keep
Correct.
the universe.
Yeah.
We also would help you with the competition with our team members because I know this office is amazing.
Yeah.
So वो भी amazing होगा.
नहीं, that's great. Now let me ask you one thing very interesting. एक यंग लड़का है, वो ब्रांडिंग या मार्केटिंग एजेंसी से क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन कर सकता है कि वो कितने पैसे कमाएगा? हाउ मच मनी कैन ही मेक? और लेट मी आस्क यू, आपका सबसे अच्छा क्लाइंट जिसने आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पे किया हो इन अ लेसर टाइम, गिव मी एन एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट.
Hmm. There was a client like 2 years back and 10 lakh 33,000 and
And how long you took to complete that project?
basically within 6 months. And
Yes.
Within 6 months you made
Yes.
Yeah.
10,33,000.
I'm not full because it
Yo.
was some part of in operation and all.
And how many times you can think कि किसी भी एजेंसी ओनर को इस टाइप के क्लाइंट साल में कितने मिल सकते हैं?
1-2 clients every 3 months.
1 to 2 clients every 3 months.
Right.
That's just amazing. मतलब
But that's
someone with higher education doesn't get a job with this much amount.
yeah, but you have the expenses, so this is only like the butters you have sometimes, oh
Yeah.
normal days you are just surviving.
Okay. But still a person can easily make 7-figure income, like anywhere from 1 lakh to 9 lakh with
Yeah.
this
Yes.
particular
Yeah.
business.
Yes,
Yes,
definitely.
yes.
It's not that difficult.
Definitely.
Just you have to be bit of you should have some knowledge and you should have some contacts with
Right,
people.
right. But see, if you're building the structure, there would be some investment. After the investment is over,
You are completely fine then.
you can make more than that.
Okay.
Anna,
okay.
If the
It will run automatically basically.
and then when you have inbound structure and all, there are the funnels. You need to make the working team. You need to make the admin team. You need to make the sales team. You need to make the social teams. So these are the few structures you need to invest. Social team would be always an investment, but it is always giving you an inbound.
Okay.
So that's always fine. Anna.
Okay. So where do you see Tess in the coming 5 years? Tell me your vision about the editor suite.
I think definitely I see it. I mean, we both, I think I'll speak from both of our side
Yeah.
that all from the very beginning, I think Ishu from the very beginning had the idea that Tess would be a company of around 300-500 employees. We'll have fantastic clients all over the world. It took me a little while to reach to that point. I think
Okay.
I went very step by step.
Okay.
But I think at this stage, I definitely do see
Okay.
it on the same level as him.
That's great. And Ishu, what do you think? When you are planning to achieve this? Right now it's 2025.
Right.
So what's your plan to reach to? I'll give you a figure: 150 employees.
150 employees, 2027.
2027.
Right.
So we are having a podcast, second podcast, right in 2027.
With that, I think that was the max time I can achieve. So basically 0 to 1 is tough.
See, that generally happens ना कि 0 से 1 आने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, 1 से 10 और ज़्यादा लगता है.
Maybe 6 months also. Maybe 6 months also.
Oh, okay. Then I am coming as an investor in Tess.
Definitely would love to have you as a mentor. Well, you're an amazing guy.
No. If you are reaching to this figure in 6 months, then I'll definitely make money with you also.
It's a proper businessman.
So, okay, tell me one more thing. Suppose you reach to this level, you have a thought in mind कि मैं 5 साल में या 2.5 साल में 150 employees तक पहुंचूंगा. Now, by God's grace, you reach to this level in say 6 months. Now, do you think कि एक टाइम आता है किसी भी एंटरप्रेन्योर के साथ कि उसके साथ समय से जल्दी सब कुछ हो गया, वो सॉर्टेड हो गया लाइफ में, कंपनी भी बढ़िया चल रही है. Now the feeling of emptiness come.
Yeah, right.
He feels a void in his thoughts कि अब मैं लाइफ में मेरा मोटिव नहीं बचा. Have you ever been into this kind of situation?
Not in right now. God grace, God is giving us in His look patience, and that's amazing for us. When I was 21, I was making ₹1,00,000 per month, and at जब मेरे college से when our students were passing out, they were not able to. I was using the cheat code in the kurti business at sea.
Okay.
That nobody was using it, है ना. So I always work with some cheat codes, है ना. मतलब है ना. See, there was no one selling, and people were like, ऐसे भी बिकेगा नहीं. Or like this is an empty space. You should try it. मेरे को क्या लगा था $0.20 लगा था, है ना. सेंट सॉरी, है ना. सो मैंने ट्राई किया एंड आई वाज मेकिंग गुड अमाउंट. माय प्रॉफिट जस्ट बूम फ्रॉम हियर 30,000 to
That must be for shorter time. Like वो फिर sustainable नहीं रहा तो it won't be considered.
considerably, but I was feeling so empty at moment. Yes.
Okay.
I was like, yeah, fuck, है ना. I'm making इतना पैसा का मैं करूँगा. मेरे को I was surviving good around 30,000 में. I was surviving and I was like, I don't want to do this. मतलब अचानक से मुझे फील हुआ कि यार I wanted to do something else. My money is not what I'm looking for.
And what if you get this feeling from tests?
That is it.
Suppose you right now you are thinking कि अभी मैं 5 लाख कमा रहा हूँ and if tests start giving you 20 lakhs से.
It will be the same feeling for me because test is a business of process.
Okay.
Listen, and it
It's
cannot.
ever evolving.
It's ever evolving. Design is changing. Communication is.
So like you are always involved into the process.
We are all turning. We are always growing. When I would be in 40s, I would be also always growing because I would be meeting new clients. There would be new things. There would be new products.
फन बना रहे
बना रहता है.
इस इंडस्ट्री में वो फन बना रहे
Yes,
this-
exactly.
I love it. This business is amazing. It's keep your mental health so young now.
Wow.
You have to adapt to a lot of situations. You have to, your brain is constantly working on how you can now switch and adapt to those things.
Right. And new environment, new products, new industry, new countries. And there are some colors जो कुछ countries में ban होते हैं. You need to read about it. So it's always like learning. So हमारी पढ़ाई स्कूल तक खत्म नहीं हुई, हमारी अभी भी चलती है. So that's what I love it.
The other thing, when we started, AI was not such a big tool. Now, at this stage, AI is such a big tool.
Yeah.
So now you have to see how you can work with.
With AI, yeah. Now you guys tell me, okay, have you ever thought of mentoring someone or coming into the teaching industry? Like it's see what I believe na कि after a certain point of time, it's not about money. It's about the impact you are trying to create to your fellow ones.
Right.
Because हमेशा क्या है ना मन में एक पॉइंट आएगा कि जब ऐसा लगेगा कि पैसा बन रहा है, लाइफ सॉर्टेड है, सब कुछ सॉर्टेड है, अब मेरी नीड क्या है? Why am I there?
Giving back to the nature.
Giving back to the nature.
Right.
So, and how do you think you can give back to the nature in your industry?
See, like not the one-to-one classes we are thinking, but
Yeah, obviously.
definitely like YouTube channels पे कुछ hacks and all. ये like sales आपका front end on होना चाहिए, back end on होना चाहिए, है ना. The things about our journey, basically we know 1,000 things not to do. Because we were the first mover in the Jackpot. Nobody was doing. So we tried, experimented a lot of things. So we can save bunch of monies and bunch of time of the people who is going to start. So definitely we are planning in late 2025 to start something of the experience if you are into this field and all. And I know it's so easy. You have a lot of people and the industry is blown up after the lockdown a lot. People respect the UI and people are aware of design system. Firstly, they used to be like website होनी चाहिए. Now there are a lot of websites, so they are differentiation की website में क्या अच्छा होना चाहिए. तो क्यों कैसे है वो हम सब करना चाहते हैं.
See, like my background is also from e-commerce, so मेरा भी mindset पहले ऐसा ही था कि वेबसाइट होनी चाहिए.
Like
But literally I realized one thing कि branding gives you a voice.
voice.
It speaks before you speak.
Yes.
So that is what I feel कि that's why it is very important to get it done right.
Yeah.
According to the founder. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं आपके पास आया प्रोजेक्ट लेके आपने अपने ही नेचर से पूरा प्रोजेक्ट डिजाइन कर दिया. Then it became your project. उससे मैं ही अट्रैक्ट नहीं होऊंगा. It should always be related to the founder.
Founder and the
And
price
is in custom.
customers. So
Yeah.
if there's a pricing of your textile business is pricing into 5 to 10,000, and its geometry matters, and its location matters, and where it is. There's 3-4 aspects that should be covered in branding to create a right voice,
Yeah.
like you said.
So yeah, Ishu and Vedi, we'll have a rapid fire thing. You both have to answer differently. Okay? Just give me an example of one brand you admire from design language.
It's polarized society.
Why?
And the consistency, the blue pattern that's represented in the feed in every manner. Okay. And the niche personality they have created.
Oh, wow.
So that's whenever I see that blue color accessory, always recall.
It's from India only?
It's from India only. Amazing thing is that. And if you're recalling a brand from the colors, see how much impact they have created.
That's great. That's great. And you, Vedai?
I think either Road by Hailey Bieber or Diesel.
Oh.
Only because with Road is that the way Hailey Bieber has dominated the entire social strategy has been fantastic. The way she promotes her products, it's just top.
So it's more like you're loving the story, like product comes secondary to you. It's more the story.
The story,
which is
yes, the
attractive.
storytelling, yes, absolutely.
Okay. Now the second thing. One campaign you wish you would have created from Tess.
It's the one. It's actually the road one. And the phone covers campaign they have created. And so it's a part of essentials. They promote it in a manner where it's a part of your lifestyle. You need to carry your essentials with your phone. So they designed the iPhone cases for that.
Okay. That's great. That's great. And you, Vedai, any campaign which comes to your mind which pop-ups ki ये campaign हमको बनाना चाहिए था. You admire basically.
I think same only. There's one more, but I'm not remembering. There is one more by this brand. I'm not remembering the name, but it was very good. So what they did was they created billboards and they created in this way that wherever there was a tree that was covering that billboard, they actually cut out the billboard to incorporate the tree in their entire view. So the company was saying that we incorporate nature's perspective as well.
I think
So I think
for
that
any
was-
sustainable brand, it's a
Yes.
beautiful thing to do.
It was fantastic how you're creating something that people will stop and look at.
Yeah. So now the third question comes. An insight which blew your mind recently.
That biggest agencies are working without operation, without liabilities. And I see a lot of people here who just have sales team admin roles. They don't have any operational team like we have that.
Okay.
And they are working amazing.
This is a good marketing for Tess. A perfect answer from a founder. Now you, Vedai.
I don't think I'll be able to give such a good answer.
That was a good answer. No problem. Going ahead. What is the biggest myth in branding you guys feel? You start, Vedai. Biggest myth.
I think when people feel like branding is just visuals and not story.
According to you, what is branding?
So according to me, branding is storytelling,
Okay.
right? What is the thought process you're conveying to your customers? That is the core of branding, right? It's not just visual, it's not just a logo, it's not just color palettes or typography. It's the process of helping your customers understand and helping them enjoy that entire story. It's basically where they feel like they are a part of you.
The values you live by, basically.
Yes.
And you, Ishu?
Biggest myth about branding.
I think you can do overall, as you can talk about design.
People people see it's a logo. Nothing is not a logo. If you're investing here right now, there would be a lot of packaging. It would be going your packaging. It would be going in Fevicode. It would be going in your pamphlets. It would be distributing in every part of your lifestyle. Once it's made, it cannot be replaced. You cannot replace your dad. It's like your dad. If the brand gives
When a
you
brand steps in, you just cannot replace it.
right, if you present that eligibility, it cannot be replaced throughout the years. Okay, is that icon, you can replace your dad maybe, but you cannot replace that brand name if it start giving you the money.
So guys, let me ask you one final question. Just give one hack which any newcomer should follow while entering into this branding and marketing industry.
बहुत सारे एक्स बता चुका हूँ, अब सारे नहीं बताऊंगा, खुद करो, एंजॉय द प्रोसेस. सबके लिए लर्निंग अलग है, सबके लिए लेसन अलग है. वी गॉट एन अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी टू शेयर विद हिम, बट डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. एंड सब बता दे दो मेरा बिजनेस क्या रहेगा.
And you, Vedai?
I think like Nike says, just do it, just get started.
Okay.
Don't wait for it.
Everything will fall in place.
Yes.
Just be there.
Okay guys, bye bye.